Yo, yo, yo. It's JB in the building. How you feeling? Okay. Back with another one. Peace, love, positivity, and prosperity to the fam, to all the beautiful people out there watching all across the world. I love you. I value you. And thank you for your consciousness, your willingness to learn, your openness, your lovingness, everything. Shout out to you, okay? I don't know when the last time you heard somebody say, I love you, or thank you for being you and being special. I don't know when the last time you heard it. So, hey, I'm here to relay the message. Real shit. So, I'm here to tell y'all something that you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Because we've all fell victim to getting shit that we want to hear. AKA something that is feeding our ego. We haven't had too many things that we needed to hear in life. In some way, shape, form, or fashion, we've all had it. Okay? And I love y'all from a complete open space. But I am here to tell y'all something that you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Okay? So let's break it down. Why you should never chase your goals. Do not, and I mean do not chase your goals. Do not. This video will be on why you should never chase your goals. Now, first off, JB, what is a goal? Cool. A goal is when you, as a person, set out something, a vision, right? And will be rewarded for your efforts, okay? So we've all had this before where, you have a vision, you have an idea that you've never seen, never heard, haven't seen too many people do. What happens? You just don't start. You just don't know where to begin. And then over time, inevitably, other things begin to grab your attention, pull you away from what is really, meaningful to you, right? Pulls you away. So then over time, you begin to do nothing. You have so much drive and ambition to come up with a vision, come up with an idea. But remember, an idea without action is simply just an idea, right? So you don't start. But this is why you should never chase your goals right here. Never chase. And this could be for a lot of different examples. We're talking about goals here. We're talking about goals. Whatever goal you have, whether it be business, a chick, becoming a better father, making more money, I don't know. That's on you. This is why you should never chase your goals. You know what that means when you're chasing after something? And listen with the open ear to what I just said. Do you know what happens when you're chasing after something or someone? You running. You know how when you're late for school, maybe you had a test first period, and this teacher was a real like hard ass. She was a real stickler for this shit. She ain't let nobody in 1 second after the bell. After that bell ring, door is slamming, class is starting. Y'all know that teacher? Y'all had that teacher before? Yeah, I know. You're running to the class. You know why? Because you're late. You didn't do what you knew that you had to do. You didn't get up a little early. You slept through the bus. You missed it. You had to call a ride. Something came up. That came from who? You. So it caused you not to do anything, right? When you're running after something, chasing something, you're always gonna be in that race It's a race. You're always going to be in that frame of, oh, I got to chase these. I got to chase. I'm a money paper chaser, as they say. Paper chase. Meaning you're never going to be fulfilled. Because guess what? If I tell you good shit for all you've done a part of the business, and I give you $10,000, if you a paper chaser and chasing after your goals, then you gonna want 20, then you gonna want 50, then you gonna want 100, then 300, and then 500. That's your ego. Your ego is feeding that. Your ego is running. You see what I'm saying? And a man who runs all day will run forever. Remember that. A man who runs all day will run forever. So I look at it in the space of, okay, because I was there, right? I'm just talking to the internet right now. I'm talking to the internet, and I'm also talking to myself. I was in the space before where I definitely did, chase after my goals, and I definitely did want it so bad where I was chasing it, right? And I looked at myself and reevaluated, and I'm like, I'm not really going nowhere. So I had to make changes, complete 360 changes, multiple times, right? And so chasing anything leaves you tired. It leaves you, living in a scarcity, living in a lack of, instead of in a abundant place. You feel me? So here's how we should change the vibration of all of that right now. Here's how we should change the vibration. Instead of saying, yeah, I'm gonna chase my goals, I'm gonna chase my dream. Can't stand that phrase. This is how we should look at it. Oh, look at this. Ain't this crazy? Look at that. Fo. This is how we should change the frequency of all of that right there. We should start saying, I am going to achieve my goals. I'm not going to chase. I'm chasing my goals. I'm chasing my dream. I'm achieving my goals every day. I'm getting better every day. That's what you call an affirmation. I'm getting better every day. I'm achieving more every day. Right? When you stop living from your ego, that's when you begin to actually live. Say it again. When you stop living from your ego, that's when you actually begin to start living. Genuinely. Because I'm not looking to make 50K annually, 100K annually. I'm not saying that as a bad goal, right? I'm just saying I'm not chasing after that. It's going to come. You know why? Because I have the vision in the forefront. I have the purpose in the forefront. Spreading the knowledge, elevating, inspiring, motivating, elevating the frequency of the people. Telling people what they need to hear instead of what they want to hear. Real shit. Not that weak ass fake shit. You see what I'm saying? That we've all been fed, right? So that's how you switch. That is how you turn on a different switch to getting closer to your goals. Because how you talk is how you live. And how you live is how you think. So I just really envision myself already with all of that. Like with already, bro, I moved out my crib, 21 years young. I made sure, I set aside, I'm gonna make a video about this too. I don't like to say saving money. I learned how to keep my money and manage it to a certain amount so I could have, 6 months worth of rent before, I settle down on a place, sign my name on it. You know what I'm saying? Don't be stupid, of course. Definitely be aware now. Like, don't, be aware now. Don't be boo-boo the fool. That ain't wise. It's not very intelligent, But when you change the way you see things, the way you see things change. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. When you change the way you see things, the way you see things change. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So use that. Use that to your advantage. Use that to your advantage, people. Use it to your advantage. Because nobody's going to tell you that real message. Because everything that's a dream is going to stick and stay a dream. If it's a dream, it's going to stay that way. Most of y'all don't even know that we dream 7 to 9 times a night. Every time we go to sleep, we dream 7 to 9 times. Everybody. But you don't remember not one in a week. Nor do you write them down, think about them, put it in your notes on your phone. None of that. You don't know. You don't know. So that's what I'm saying. You have to be consciously aware of your goals and say, hey, I'm going to achieve my goals. I am in unison with my goals. I am on the path to achieving my goals. Right? And guess what? Pick this up. Pick up a pen and get the writing. Y'all see what time it is. 4:48 a.m. Not tired at all. Purpose, levels, passion. That's all it is. You can get it too. You just gotta find it. I can't tell you exactly what you should be doing because you know why? It's you. You. I could give you these different type of tools and these different type of assets to help, but you are you. There's nobody else who would want it more for you than you, or should. They shouldn't. They shouldn't. They shouldn't. It's not their job to. You see what I'm saying? Elevate, inspire, motivate. Just be simple. Take care of yourself. It's JB. And I'm out.